Hey you guys, so this is my hair and I'm gonna be using this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioner Cream. So let me take a look. So I thought it would be best if I just do a voiceover for this portion of the video, well, majority of the video, because I was talking in a low tone so that my roommates wouldn't get woke up and stuff. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just tying my hair up away and getting my first little section, which I've already combed out and detangled most of it, but it gets back tangled. I'm using these two brushes and this wide tooth comb. And I'm gonna get ready to basically saturate this portion, but not with water. So I'm gonna detangle a little bit more with my brush. Yes, gotta make sure that it's detangled out. Not that my lips was dry, so hold on. Gotta put me on some good Carmex. You know, gotta be looking. Back to my hair. I'm gonna do some more detangling with my brush. Make sure that it's all, you know, detangled. It's not breaking when it makes that sound. It's just detangling. So I'm gonna use my Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner. Just like a little amount, just to see how much I'm gonna need to be working with. And my hair really loves this stuff, but I see that I clearly need more, so I'm gonna get a little bit heavy-handed with the product. And literally as I'm rubbing this into my hair, it's defining and everything. So this is what we need, a good little slip to make sure that the brush can get through it and my bun will be sleek. If it sounds like that, then it definitely is getting detangled. And also shrinkage is very much real. Definition, you guys, like that's so much definition in that. Beautiful. I'm gonna put a little bit more because more is better. Basically what I'm going to be doing for every section that I have pieced off, and I'm gonna brush it back and tie it with the little satin scrunchie, and I'm gonna detangle all my hair just like this until every piece looks just like this. So I'm probably going to fast forward through the rest of this. Look at that definition, y'all. Immaculate. But I'm gonna probably fast forward through all of this so we can get closer into the real tea. It's really good. other side I did the same thing, except I didn't use any more of the Cantu like I did in the first section, because one, I don't have enough to do my forehead, so I'm not gonna commit with trying to add it in, and I'm just gonna be doing the same steps as before with leave-in conditioner. Make sure I detangle it out very well, brush it back and put it into my satin scrunchie. So what's up, you guys? So I'm back the next morning. I did my hair the previous night, so it's laid the next morning, and boom, this is how I get my hair laid, with just leave-in conditioner, period.
Hoes don't like when I talk like that. Please don't bark, cause Millie baby.